Hello guys, welcome to KR Forex Trading. My name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading, and here we have our backtesting system where we can be able to backtest our forex trading strategy in any financial instrument like gold, GBP JPY, USD JPY, Euro USD, and any other pairs. Join our everyday live webinar where we'll be sharing our opinion and strategies on Zoom analysis. Join our Telegram link in the description. Hello guys, welcome to KR Forex Trading. My name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading. If you are new to this channel, please ensure that you subscribe to our channel and ensure you hit the bell notification. And once again, if you want to be part of our community, go to krforextrading.online. Ensure that you go there, you create your account, and therefore the most important part out of all things that you need not to forget, your login details. Ensure that you don't forget your login details, because those login details, you're going to use them, the same login details, to log in into your webinars. Okay, we remember that we are hosting each and every day webinar, guys, so ensure that you need to be part of our community each and every day. We analyze GBP, USD, GBP, JPY. Okay, and if you want to add your preferred or your loved pairs, you need to raise your hand on the webinar and just schedule a new meeting so that we can analyze what you want us to analyze. Okay, without wasting time, guys, this is GBP JPY on a daily time frame. Ensure that when you analyze the market firstly on a daily time frame. Whether you are a scalper or you are an intraday trader, ensure that you are going to a daily time frame. First and foremost, this is a daily time frame. Okay, so now I always speak about simplifying your trade. Okay, so simplifying your trade is all about not putting many indicators in your chart. Okay, do not put many indicators in your chart. Okay, so simple trading is the best. Okay, is the best, good people. So now GBP JPY, we understand that long from 16 June 2023, the market has created a support level and then came here on the 27 July, created a support level, bumped off to upside, and then came up once again here on October 4, 2023, and then made a support zone. And then once again, this is now January 2024, and now it created a support zone. And still now, even today, guys, the market is still in the support zone, and we are looking forward for the market to buy. Okay, so now the other thing is you need to understand about the trending line. Where are you putting your trending line? So we can see that the market is creating a certain structure, of which now we are looking for an uptrend. Okay, so now before an uptrend, we need to see that, okay, why the market is in the support zone. It is in the support zone because the market, it needs to push itself upper. Okay, so now we are expecting that the market should go upper until in this resistance zone. This is in 1 hour resistance zone. Okay, so now once again, after you have done your analysis in this time frame, okay, now you need to go to 4-hour time frame. So now in 4-hour time frame, we can see that the market, it is in the support zone. Okay, so when it is in the support zone, we can see that, okay, the market now is forming a descending wedge. Okay, I'm sorry, a descending wedge. So this is a descending wedge. Okay, this is a descending wedge. So now in the descending wedge, that we know that when the price break this structure of the wedge, then it's going to come over here and then come back as a pullback and then actually go up. Okay, so we know Okay, why I'm saying it's pulling back here? Because there is a small resistance zone in 15 minutes time frame, and then we're expecting that the market will shoot down and then actually go up. Okay, so okay, this is what we're expecting from an intraday trading perspective. Okay, so now alternatively, the market is possible, but it should come up here and then consolidate and then break and then pull back and then go down. Okay, so there is a possible move that the market is going to reverse, okay, in this point or in this price of 180.182, okay, and then actually go down and then play a little bit in the descending wedge and then actually go down as a breakout and then pull back and then go down. Okay, but alternatively we are 60% looking for the market to break in an upper direction and then actually making a reversal and then go up. Okay, so now if we go to the 15 minutes time frame, remember guys, we are going to the 15 minutes time frame for the confirmation, okay, for a certain candlestick pattern. Okay, so a certain candlestick pattern, we know that the market is going to break our structure here, and then the market obviously, if it's going to break, we know that the market, it is going to go down. Okay, it is going to go down, right? So we know that if it breaks this support trend line and then is going down in this zone, in this zone, okay, so coming up once again to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is also telling us that the market is still consolidating in the descending channel. Okay, so we all know that if the channel the market or the price is consolidating within the channel, when it breaks significantly, it breaks in a way that we are going to buy, or we are going to sell in a longer period of time. And then why are we saying in a longer period of time? Because in a 4 hour time frame, still the market it shows that is giving us a clear direction that okay, now previously the market has consolidated within the trending channel, and then it's going to break, and then whenever it breaks, it's going to go upper. Okay, and then once again, if we go to daily time frame is also showing us that the market it is in the support zone here. So when the market is still in the support zone, then we're going to buy according to our 15 minutes confirmation direction. Okay, the other thing is we need to see that when the market breaks this structure, we are going to hold. There might be a possibility that we are going to hold the direction until up here. Okay, so possibly if the market breaks the support and now becomes a resistance, we are going once again to hold the market until it reaches the daily support zone. Okay, there is a daily support zone where now we're looking forward for the market to touch here on the daily support zone, or if the market really supports over in this current price here, and then we are looking forward that we're going to hold. And then even if you're not holding, but we are going to take only the buys once until the market reaches 189 to 190.027. okay, so ensure that if you are new in this channel, please subscribe to our channel. Please support us to our channel so that we drop each and every knowledge that we have, and then put it on YouTube, put it out there for the people that they are seeking out or consuming necessary information for their site. So once again, This is KR Forex Trading. Ensure that if you want to be part of our community, go to our website, krforextrading.online. Ensure that you open your account, and then after that, ensure that you are attending our webinars each and every day. Whether you attend with your phone or with your laptop, it doesn't matter. But what is matters is because that you need to be there each and every day, so that you need to learn with us. When we drop on there something that is new on our website, we start on our website, and therefore we go back to our Telegram channel. So our Telegram channel link, it is in the description below. If you want to join us, if you want to be updated of our upcoming webinars and the seminars and the possibilities of the market structure, we are going to update it on our Telegram. So without wasting time, KR Forex Trading, KR Mokoena, your mentor, signing out.